Next, Ramakrishna. Let's see Ramakrishna. About Ramakrishna during his period 1836 to 1886. He was a simple priest of Dakshineshwar Kali temple near Kolkata in the 19th century. He is an ardent worshipper of goddess Kali. He said, Jiva is Shiva. Jiva is Shiva. Is meaning all living beings are God. Why then talk of showing mercy to them? Not mercy but service. Service for man must be regarded as God. Next, Ramakrishna mission. Ramakrishna's primary achievement, which is his ability to attract educated youth who were dissatisfied with the rational orientation of religious reform organizations such as the Brahma Samaj. After his death in 1886, his disciples organized themselves as a religious community. The chief spirit behind this task was Vivekananda. Vivekananda established the Ramakrishna mission. Who established Ramakrishna mission? Vivekananda established the Ramakrishna mission, which did not restrict itself to religious activities but was actively involved in social causes such as education, healthcare, and relief in times of calamities. Swami Vivekananda during his period was 1863 to 1902. Swami Vivekananda's original name was Narendranath Datta. His original name was Narendranath Datta. He was the prime follower of the Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. He advocated the practical Vedanta of service to humanity and attacked the tendency to defend every situation simply. Because it was connected with the religion. He emphasized cultural nationalism and made a call to Indian youth to regenerate Hindu society. He also to regenerate Hindu society, that is the revivalist. He became famous for his addresses on Hinduism at the 1893 World Congress of Religions in Chicago. All are known to this incident. The Chicago, in the USA, in the Chicago, all the world international level religions functions was conducted. At the time, Vivekananda was participated to India. Is a famous word was brothers and sisters. All are astonished this word. In 1833, so he was famous in this religion conference. Despite his fame, he was condemned by Orthodox Hindu for suggesting that lower caste should be allowed to engage the Hindus' rituals from which they were traditionally excluded. Many of the youth who were involved in the militant nationalist struggle during the Swadeshi movement following the partition of Bengal were inspired by Vivekananda. Next, Theosophical movement. During the 19th century, Hindu religion and culture were being discredited in the West, especially due to the missionary propaganda. Already you know the Christian missionaries advent into India to propaganda of the Christianity. So this place was said. The Theosophical Society founded by Madam H.P. Blavatsky. Its period is 1831 to 1891, and Colonel H.S. Alcott. His period is 1832 to 1907. He founded the Theosophical Society was first founded in USA in 1875. Next, later distributed to India at Adayar, Chennai in 1886. It also played an important role in the revival of Buddhism and Hinduism also in India. Western interest in Hindu scriptures gave educated Hindus great pride in their tradition and culture. Contribution of Annie Besant. In India, the movement became further popular with the election of Annie Besant 1847 to 1933. The election as its president after the death of Alcott. She played a role in Indian nationalist politics and formed the Home Rule League demanding Home Rule to India on the lines of Ireland. Annie Besant spread theosophical ideas through the newspaper called New India and Commonwealth. It's also very important. The book is Book Inside Questions. Thank you, students.